Oh yeah. Look at that defrost. Hopefully my steam here. Here's the defrost. Oh, it's barely see it.
Is it steaming?
I don't know if the water's dripping out the pad down.
Is it steaming?
I don't know if you can or not. Oh, there it is. I see the water dripping.
And I see the steam.
There goes the steam in. There it goes.
We can see it this time. Yeah, we can see it this time.
I can barely see it.
See the water kindle? See the water kindle?
Yeah. I can barely see it.
There it is. There it is.
Here it is. Here's the steam. Alright. I should get the high startup and shut down, but it's alright. We'll focus on the merit series.
Oh, it's giving up a huge.
I love these Given Blade style.
I can see it. I can see it. It's honestly a long defrosser.
Oh, smart shift. It's just same like Gibson. Gibson has coupler reset with the heat pump. Oh, that was just turned on. Anyways, let's focus on the merit series.
And this one's gonna kick back on.
There we go. I got it. Nice.
Can you hear me, Kendall?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Got it?
Oh, here goes the Lennox. Nice. And this one just kicked on. This is a 2-ton from 1979. I think that is I don't know what compressor. I think the compressor's in the compartment. Probably an old Copeland.
Wait, Remy, try to drive.
Oh! Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel.